Hello there, welcome to the Boss TV, and today I'm taking you to Arusha. Arusha is a picturesque city nestled at the foot of Mount Meru in Tanzania. Arusha is often called the Geneva of Africa due to its similarities to Geneva in terms of hosting international organizations, diplomatic activities, and its role as an economic and cultural hub in East Africa. To understand the connection between Arusha and Geneva, we must first delve into historical genesis of Arusha. Originally a small trading post, Arusha's significant burgeoned during the colonial era. The Germans and later the British played pivotal roles in shaping its destiny. The legacy of colonial influence is evident in the city's architecture, institutions, and the unique blend of cultures that make up its social fabric. Arusha has emerged as a robust economic and trade hub in East Africa, situated strategically between key trade routes. It serves as a pivotal point for commerce and cross-border transactions. The city's markets bustle with activities showcasing a vibrant tapestry of local and international trade. This economic vitality positions Arusha as a key player in the region, akin to Geneva's economic significance in Europe. One of the key factors that earned Arusha the moniker Geneva of Africa is its role as a diplomatic epicenter. The city hosts various international organizations and has been the venue for crucial peace talks and negotiations. The Arusha Accords, a landmark agreement that brought an end to the Rwandan genocide, were signed here, emphasizing the city's diplomatic prowess. Arusha's educational institutions and research centers contribute significantly to its intellectual landscape. Universities and organizations dedicated to research and development have made Arusha a knowledge hub. The establishment of such institutions not only foster academic excellence, but also draws scholars and researchers from around the globe, furthering Arusha's reputation as a center for intellectual discourse. Beyond its economic and diplomatic facets, Arusha boasts a rich cultural tapestry. Additionally, the touristic allure of Arusha, with its proximity to national parks, wildlife reserves, and cultural events, contribute to its charm and attractiveness to visitors. The title Geneva of Africa encapsulates the essence of Arusha, a city with a rich history, economic vibrance, diplomatic significance, cultural diversity, and environmental treasures. The parallels drawn between Arusha and Geneva highlights not only their shared characteristics, but also the unique elements that make each city stand out. As Arusha continues to forge its path on the global stage, it beckons attention not just as a regional powerhouse, but as a city that exemplifies the potential and promise of African urban centers. The moniker Geneva of Africa serves as a recognition of Arusha's journey and a testament to its multifaceted contributions to the continent and the world. So there you have it, the city at the foot of Mount Meru, the Geneva of Africa, Arusha. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Boss TV. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friend. Until then, as always, bye-bye.